Partitioning the SSD. Eject all external drives connected to the Mac. Also unmount any images mounted before proceeding with this step. Search for an open disk utility from Spotlight Search. Click the SSD's ID. Click Partition. This is the entirety of our SSD, named Untitled. The file system format of the SSD is APFS, and its size is 256 gigabytes, out of which 80.4 gigabytes is under usage. This is indicated by the shaded region in the pie chart. Click on the plus button beneath the pie chart. Select Add Partition. The SSD has been divided into two equal parts. To your right is the partition hosting macOS, apps, and user files. To the left is the new partition that will be created if you click the Apply button on the lower right corner of the partition window. You can drag this button along the circumference of the pie chart to resize the partition. Doing so affects the sizes of both partitions. I will resize the partition to be created from 125 gigabytes to 120 gigabytes. Change the format to MS-DOS FAT so that the partition will be recognized by Windows 11 installer during installation. You can rename the partition if you so wish. Click Apply. Then Partition. Click Continue. Click Done once the operation is done. Close Disk Utility.